My name is Rachel Dobroth. I am the Outreach Coordinator for the Hybrid Electric Vehicle team of Virginia Tech. We're one of 16 teams competing in Ecocar, the next challenge, which is an advanced vehicle technology competition that's put on by the Department of Energy and General Motors. What you see behind me is Virginia Tech's Ecocar. We have chosen to design a fully functional plug-in extended range hybrid. In the back we have our A123 battery, and that will give us about a 60-mile range on a full charge. And then of course we have our flex fuel engine up front, which is provided by GM, and that runs on E85 ethanol instead of gasoline to really reduce petroleum use. And overall we're really working towards getting about 100 miles per gallon equivalency on the road. This vehicle is actually exactly like a normal car in performance. You really sacrifice nothing by having that electrical power in the back. You have just the same horsepower as a normal car, and you don't sacrifice any of your creature comforts. You have your air conditioning, your CD player, your XM radio, whole 9 yards. So it runs smooth, it's great. The electric mode is very quiet, of course. We have actually a pedestrian alert system installed to really cover those city driving times where you need the sound that your motor is lacking.
I am the mechanical sub-team leader on the hybrid electric vehicle team, and this is our engine compartment. So what we have here is a Ecotech engine, which is a 4-cylinder 2.4-liter engine that runs on E85, which is ethanol. And right here is our DC to DC converter. What this does is it converts our high voltage 360 volts down to low voltage 12 volt to run our accessory loads.
We've actually got several sponsors making this competition possible. Of course, the most obvious, GM donated the vehicle in 2009 for us to work on. There's a lot of other vehicle components in there as well that we're really grateful for. And more importantly, we get a lot of sponsor support from the Department of Energy. They've really provided a lot of resources for the engineers as well as everyone else. They've given us the resources of Clean Cities, which is an incredible program that really works to promote education about alternative fuel energy and that kind of thing. So that's an awesome resource for us as well. And of course, Argonne National Laboratories, who really manages the whole thing and makes it possible for the engineers to do such great work. So we're really grateful for everyone on that. So we really wanted to look into alternative energy and specifically hybrid technology, because that electric power really gives you an alternative to gasoline and other fossil fuels. And when you use E85 ethanol, you're also reducing that petroleum use as well, and you're reducing emissions for the environment, and you're choosing a renewable energy source. So we love that we're playing a part in not only educating those around us, but educating the engineers so when they go out into the industry, they're able to bring that knowledge along with them and help make sure the consumer market keeps up with the green trends of today. The Ecocar program is absolutely priceless for jobs. The engineers are really getting that hands-on experience that you might lack in the classroom. They're able to build on the skills that they've been learning for 3 and 4 years, and then they get up and under the hood and they're really able to apply their skills. So when they go out into the workforce, they're ready to work as a team and to solve problems and to really apply their knowledge. And I think they really bring a lot to the table, and it's awesome that they can bring that alternative fuel knowledge into the industry.